let's take a look at a route that I have wanted to make a video about for a super long time. This is, without exaggeration, one of definitely the top 3 hiking or running routes that I've ever done, and I would absolutely recommend this to anyone and everyone. Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what you've seen and done before, this is absolutely worth putting on your bucket list, and I do not say that lightly. So this is the Edelweissweg, and it starts and ends in Zermatt, and I've actually got 2 versions of this route here to show you. The video that we'll see was filmed on the route that we're seeing in front of us right now, but there are many different ways to do it, essentially. So the video, as I said, is based on this GPX track that we're seeing here. I'm going to link it in the description as always. I think some sections of the quote-unquote official Edelweissweg were closed due to some inclement weather that had occurred recently, so just because of safety and other reasons they wanted to divert the route a little bit. So this is what I did on this particular journey. So it was a loop with about 20 kilometers in length in total, about 1,200 meters in climbing. So I will show you just a very quick snapshot of the other version of this route, which I did back in 2023. So as you can see, it looks a lot similar. However, there are a couple of things here that I want to highlight as differences. Number one, the first time I did this route here in 2023, you can see that I went up basically all the way to this high point. And this is a very famous Alm, which is, I mean, it's just beautiful. And they serve wonderful food, wonderful beverages. I would say that it is worth seeing, not just for the Alm itself, but also for the incredible views that you're going to get up there. The journey, the path to get up there is also absolutely gorgeous. If you can click through some of these photos here on Komoot whenever you feel like it, but the views are phenomenal, and really you're missing out if you don't come up here. But again, in my case in 2024, when we filmed this video, that portion of the route was closed due to inclement weather, so it is what it is. Now, another big difference that you'll see is here on the way back. In 2023, when I did this, I took, I would say, maybe not the better route. You can see that I'm going along here, and these are basically roads. Some of them are paved, some of them are not paved, but it was less nature and a bit more civilization. Whereas in 2024, I basically stayed to the north of this river right here as opposed to the south, and I would absolutely say that this is the better way to do it. If you look at some of these photos again, we can see some wonderful single track, and I think that's what we are here for. And that's just my recommendation, but you know what, if you want an easier time, if you want a little bit more sturdy ground, less rocks, less terrain to kind of have to navigate, then stay south of the river. There's plenty of paved roads here that you can take and basically get right back to Zermatt. But those are the differences I think that I wanted to highlight. Otherwise, again, I think the video will hopefully speak for itself. Fantastic views. The views are stunning. On the approach, you basically get to stare at the Matterhorn for the whole time, and then as soon as you make this turn here and start going back, you have another series of magnificent views into the valley of Zermatt, and I just really, I can't say enough about it. So I think pictures are worth hundreds and thousands of words. So really hope you enjoy the video, and I really hope you get to enjoy this trail at least once in your life. It's very accessible. There's nothing super duper dangerous or scary. I think this is a trail that can suit anybody and everybody, and you don't need to run it. You can hike it. It's a very popular trail, so lots of other people are going to be out there, and I think that's just part of the experience. You're going to meet a lot of really interesting folks out there, and just basically get to see what they're up to and enjoy one of the most beautiful places in the world. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
All right, so here we are, right about to begin the ascent. We've got this amazing view of the Matterhorn from this angle. It's absolutely beautiful. And looks like it's not so windy up there today. Yesterday the snow was blowing right off the top, but today looks like a wonderful summit day. Whoever is at the Hornli-Hütte there, you can see it in the distance. If there's anybody climbing this morning, they are lucky. But my God, what a view, what weather, what everything, just absolutely amazing. Edelweissweg is seriously one of the best hikes I've ever done anywhere in the world. And here we are, we're about to begin the descent. So get excited, let's pick up some speed.